Throughout the evolution of civilization, one material has always been close at hand: glass. Without a crystalline structure and endowed with diverse properties, glass has continually responded to humanity's requests, taking the form of lenses, light bulbs, and displays. Since its founding in 1949, Nippon Electric Glass has brought new value to society through advanced high-precision specialty glass, drawing out the material's potential to its fullest. Why do we remain committed to glass? Because we believe in the possibilities this material has yet to reveal. Not everything that moves society is visible. Deep within cities and inside precision circuits, Nippon Electric Glass products quietly perform essential roles. Take displays, for example. As the amount of visual information continues to grow, people seek clearer and more beautiful images. Our display glass is used in televisions, computers, monitors, and other visual devices that continue to advance in both performance and size. As a global leader, we provide the glass that supports these innovations. Its high transparency and flatness fundamentally support the visual experience. In information and communications, flexible glass is another form of specialty glass. Developed for foldable smartphones, Dynarex UTG is thin, flexible, and durable, helping drive the evolution of mobile devices from the materials level. The world is striving to see what was once invisible. Sensors, cameras. Protecting these electronic eyes is the role of our image sensor cover glass. With a top-tier global market share, its transparency and flatness expand the possibilities of autonomous driving and smart cities, while achieving both safety and feasibility. Semiconductors, the brain of modern society. Without glass, their intelligence could not exist. Our glass wafer for supporting semiconductors, available with a wide range of thermal expansion coefficients, supports advanced packaging used in AI and data center applications. We also develop inorganic core substrates, combining the rigidity, insulation properties, and flatness unique to glass. This material is attracting attention as a key component in next-generation packaging technologies. In mobility, specialty glass reinforces automotive components, supporting vehicle electrification and energy efficiency. With the idea of changing the car itself, we contribute to a more sustainable society. Our specialty glass also plays a role in the transition to next-generation energy. From cover glass that shields against ultraviolet radiation in space to a new type of glass-based battery, the all-solid-state sodium-ion secondary battery. It operates from -40 degrees to 200 degrees centigrade, does not rely on scarce lithium, and carries no risk of ignition. This technology offers a reliable energy source for use in space, underwater, and beyond. In medical care, glass helps protect lives. Tubing glass for storing vaccines and pharmaceuticals. And shielding glass that protects people from radiation. Glass that combines safety and reliability contributes to people's peace of mind. Our glass is also used as a structural material in buildings and social infrastructure. Glass fiber WizArc for concrete reinforcement, and fire-rated glass firelight that protects safety during fires. These types of glass provide strength against tremors, corrosion, fire, and harsh climates while enabling refined design. Glass is also deeply involved in everyday comfort. Components for air conditioners and refrigerators, and cooktop panels for IH and gas stoves. Our specialty glass that withstands heat and offers excellent durability and processability supports the performance of home appliances and housing equipment. Invisible, yet indispensable, that is glass. Delivering the power of materials as a reliable foundation for society, that is the mission we pursue. Glass manufacturing must coexist in harmony with nature. Melting raw materials requires temperatures exceeding 1000 degrees centigrade, making energy efficiency and measures to reduce greenhouse gases essential. For this reason, Nippon Electric Glass has taken its responsibility as a manufacturer sincerely. We were among the first in the industry to introduce all-electric melting furnaces, which generate no CO2 emissions in the melting process. And we are also working to demonstrate next-generation combustion technologies using 100% hydrogen fuel. We have installed large-scale solar power systems at our facilities. We are also promoting carbon neutrality across the entire group of the company. The most efficient manufacturing leads to the most environmentally responsible manufacturing. With glass technology, we fulfill responsibility for the future. The value of Nippon Electric Glass lies in the system behind how we make glass. From material design through melting, forming and processing, we have built more than 70 years of core and applied technologies. This accumulated expertise has led to the creation of over 400 types of materials and a wide range of products. Behind the realization of diverse glass forms and functions lies seamless collaboration with evaluation, development, manufacturing, sales, and quality assurance working as one. A culture that inherits a spirit of inquiry and an organization that never stops challenging itself make it possible to pursue research and development over many years until products reach commercialization. With diverse talent working flexibly and evolving alongside technology, this is the strength that defines us. Challenging the possibilities of glass and transforming function into form. This continuous effort has built the trust placed in Nippon Electric Glass. With business bases in major markets around the world, we supply most of our products globally. We believe that the power of glass can make society more comfortable and prosperous. By continually combining technology and insight, we will keep responding to the questions society asks. Beyond the progress of civilization. Nippon Electric Glass, responding through specialty glass.